Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this new video that I got for you. Today I got something really special. I got the Nintendo Switch Let's Go Pikachu version. Really excited about this new addition to the Nintendo Switch. I mean, it's still the very same old Nintendo Switch that we've experienced, but it's a great version. I'm a huge Pokemon fan and I am going to lose my mind. Look at this. The artwork right off the bat is pretty darn cool. The same dimensions the box has as the original Nintendo Switch. Nothing like different about it. The same actual dimensions. Which you see the artwork for the game, as you can see, is the Let's Go Pikachu version. There's also an Eevee version. I didn't get that one. No discrimination for Eevee. Great character, but I grew up with Pikachu, alright? Not that bad. It doesn't feel like heavier. It feels like right about the same weight as the original version, but let's see how they managed to pack everything in here. Okay, some instructions right there. Let's flip this thing and voila. There you have it, folks. That is the Nintendo Switch Let's Go Pikachu version. Right off the bat, the system, like in front, like the classic version, there are some images like ghosted in the back of the display. They look pretty cool, pretty subtle, a nice touch just to, like, you know, let people know, hey, this is a special version, watch out. We don't have anything in the front, like, you know, with the Pikachu edition for the Game Boy Color, where they had that Pokeball and the battery indicator. Not the case here, like all the fun is in the back, right? The Joy-Cons, they don't feel anything different. The texture maybe feels a little different. Need to test that out. And just the colors, honestly, just the difference in the colors from the original version. I guess you can always mod it. Now there's mods where you can actually purchase a see-through version of this Joy-Cons, like the Game Boy Color had it, and the Nintendo 64. Also, these accessories for when you're playing without the TV. Okay, so there is nothing special about this accessory for the Joy-Cons to make him like a classic controller. I would have liked to see some of the ghosting like images of Pokemons that we had in the actual console. I'm not gonna use that, like this is pretty boring. It doesn't scream like special edition, right? And now we have the actual downloadable code for the Pikachu version. Not that bad. I was not expecting an actual box of the game. Now we have the dock of the game, which is still the same dock. You know, there seems not to be an update in this thing. It's just those decals for the Pokemon games. For Pikachu and Eevee. Oh my god, I'm not making any sense. What else? We have a few cables over here, the HDMI, the instructions to connect the Let's Go Pokeball, the Pokeball Plus accessory. And feels the same as when I tested this at E3. It was pretty bad, the accuracy. Hopefully I got better. They had some software actual updates on it. And it lights up, so it has some juice in it. Let's test it out. There you go, guys. This was a really quick unboxing of the console of the Nintendo Switch, the Let's Go Pikachu edition. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Let me know if you want me to make a video of this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.